Welcome to more of Christmas, which I know some of you are excited about and some of you aren't, but I know that loads of people are excited about this one. It's the Liberty Advent Calendar. So I'm about to reveal all of the calendar. So if you don't want to know what's inside, don't watch it now, because this is the spoiler alert. There will be spoilers. All the spoilers. So I know that lots of you need to know exactly what's inside and they want to know sizes, so I'm going to share all that with you. So hope you enjoy this and get ready for some goodies. So it's pretty heavy. I've got to say, I carried this home from London because I went to the launch dinner at Liberty, which was delightful because that building is absolutely incredible. Liberty is stunning. Such a special place, but it's bloody heavy, this thing, so if you can, I'd order it online if you're interested. So yes, but look at it, it's absolutely stunning. They always do such a brilliant job. So here we go. It's got this slidery bit on which will I just put a lipstick mark on the back of it, sorry. Right, okay, so this, slide that bit off. Right, so we've got this gorgeous design. This is this year's design, is this beautiful Liberty pattern. I can't remember what it's called, but I'm going to find out. One sec. I'm just Googling my own blog post. Strawberry Thief print. I hope I've got that right. Strawberry Thief print. So look, I want to see this. It's so pretty. Yes, look. I mean, that is special. So special. Open that on the door. Yeah, I am here. I am behind here. I'm behind here. Right, anyway, so right, so it's stunning. It's the prettiest I've seen it, I think. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, right, so I'm gonna zoom you in a bit because I want you to see the products. So let's go. Right. Here we go. Have I got my glasses handy because I feel like I may need those. Glasses ready. Right. Indoor one. Oh look, they've got cards in each one as well. It's really cute. And this is really good because it's a duo. It's the Aveda Cherry Almond Softening Shampoo and Conditioner. It comes in lovely shredded tissue, which makes it so special. The shampoo is 50ml and the conditioner is 40ml. All I can say about this is that I used it a couple of times. It went in my bathroom and then it got used up by other people, so I think people like it. They like it. So yeah, really lovely. Right, number 2. What do we have in here? Herbivore Botanicals Orchid Youth Preserving Facial Oil. I've tried this. It's really nice. This is 8ml, so that's a really good size, perfect for traveling. Really love this brand. Glass bottle, so it's limited amount, a little bit of plastic there, not too much plastic. And I love this face oil. It's really good for getting glow going. And I've tried the body oil as well, and it makes your body look so gorgeous and glowing, like you've got really young, youthful skin. Anyway, so that's number 2. Number 3. Oh, fragrance. So we have Wilhelm Parfumerie Peony Couture 7.5ml. Let's have a little, show you that bottle. Really nice, perfect handbag size. I'm going to smell it. I want to know. Oh, very good peony. That, love it. Okay, so that's number 3. Number 4 is Dermalogica Intensive Eye Repair 15ml. Let me just show you that so you can get an idea of the size of that one. Really good size. Haven't tried this Intensive Eye Repair, but I do like Dermalogica. I think they're a brilliant brand. Okie dokie. Ah, I love this. It just feels like Christmas, but I won't sing. I can't get that bloody box back in. Why not? You came in there. How does that work? Right, it's in. Number 5. What have we got? Ooh, Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, 0.9 grams. cute. Right, let's have a look at you. You're going to be really cute. I love this setting powder, by the way. Perfect travel size. And you only need a tiny amount, so that will probably last you ages. Ages and ages. Okay, put you back. 6. Oh, this is big. Aralia Robotic Skincare Botanical Cream Deodorant. I haven't tried this. I want to. So there we go. That's a pot of deodorant. I think you just wipe it on. Oh, smells good. Okay, that's good. So I do actually want to try some kind of non-toxic deodorants, because it does bother me that I don't use anything that's sort of claimed as non-toxic. So I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Right, number 7. Oh, I love this brand. The Elixir Skin Universal Emulsion, and that is 30ml. Brilliant size again. So yes, I feel like this is a good one. 7, 8. Ooh, the Davines or Davines New Hair Mask 75ml. Just looks like the yummiest pot of hummus. I've never tried any of that, but I really must, because I hear amazing things. I really do. Number 9, we have another duo. This is the Malin & Gertz Grapefruit Face Cleanser 30ml and the Vitamin E Face Moisturizer 30ml. So 60ml in total in that one. It's really good when you get 2 products in one drawer, I think. Don't you? So look, there's your face cleanser and there's your Vitamin E Moisturizer. Double bubble for that one. Number 10 is, oh, super posh. I want this. This is like the chicest hand sanitizer ever. It's the rinse-free hand wash from Byredo and the Rose, and it smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. Number 11, Trish Mcevoy Beauty Booster Lip and Cheek Balm. I love Trish Mcevoy. I went away recently and I had the berry lip gloss, and somebody took a shine to it and I had to give it to them because I've got so many lip glosses, but they were literally obsessed. So this, I've never tried this, the Beauty Booster Lip and Cheek Balm, but that looks amazing. And I have to say, whoa, really pigmented and blends out beautifully. So lip and cheek. I love a matching lip and cheek, so wonderful from Trish. Also love Trish. Trish herself is incredible. Number 12. This, I love the way this is presented. It's amazing. Susan Kaufman Oil Bath for the Senses 30ml. Beautiful brand. Amazing. I've got the Pillow Mist and it's fabulous. I've got some other oils as well, but I love the way they have the actual, like the plant in there as well. It's amazing. 13 is Frank Body Lip Balm 15ml. These are really good sizes, I think. I mean, that's a full size, 100%. So the Frank Body Lip Balm. I haven't tried that. Looks good. This is the thing I love about advent calendars. You're literally going to discover new products that you've never just even thought of before. Where's 14? There you are. I haven't used my glasses yet. Dr. Seba Pure Vitamin C. 1 powder cream, 1.95 grams times 2. Let's have a look at that. I haven't tried this. I want to. I love a bit of vitamin C. Oops. Okay. So there you go. Pure Vitamin C powder cream. There's like 2. That's really interesting. I think you must mix that with water to activate. I'm going to look into those. I'm trying not to ruin this calendar because I want to give it to a friend, but I kind of want all the bits in it as well. Let's see what happens. Number 15. Oh, the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, and that is 40ml, so a really good size. 16. Surratt. Oh, I love Surratt so much. Oh, the new Dewdrop Foundation. Obsessed. Anyway, this is a lid lacquer in Kamuji. These lid lacquers are beautiful. I've got a lighter shade than this, but yeah, wowza, they're amazing. Glossy lid, just stays lovely and sheeny and juicy. And you can also use it on your face if you want a bit of a sheeny, shiny face too, which I always want, a sheeny, shiny face. Where are you, 17? Come on. Come on, number 17. Oh, that's 7. How do I just lose them? I mean, I see them. Right, number 17 is Heavy. Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Overnight Recovery Balm, 30ml. So that's super good size. 100% recyclable packaging. Good old Ren. Here we go. the really good size. I mean, that must be a full size, I think. Pretty good. They're doing very well this year. Good old Liberty. Good old Liberty. Right, number 18, where are you? We're getting there. We are getting there. Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. One of the best mascaras ever, basically. 3ml, so kind of like half size. Try that mascara. You won't regret it. Telling you now. Number 19. Hair by Sam McKnight Lazy Girl Dry Shampoo. Right, so this, the outer packaging is a limited edition for Liberty, so that's really pretty, but the inside is just the standard Lazy Girl Dry Shampoo, and this is a lovely dry shampoo and so cute and perfect for your handbag. That is 50ml. Number 20. I actually got this. I took this in my handbag from the dinner on the table, and they were like, take any little bits that you want. And I was like, I'll just take this. The Omorovitsa Queen of Hungry Mist in a limited edition with special leaf design. It's beautiful. 30ml. One of the best face mists ever. I'm going to try it, even if it does belong to someone else, and I promised it. So good. I love that face mist so much. It's just the best. It smells good, it feels relaxing, it really hydrates, it makes your makeup look glowy and gorgeous. It's just the dream. It is the dream. Number 21. Ooh, Skin Laundry Hydrating Sheet Mask. 3 of these. 3, which is exciting, isn't it? Look, 3 in there. How cute is that? That's like practically, that's really good. Putting 3 in a drawer, because often somebody would get away with just putting 1 in. So there are 3 hydrating face masks in there. I'm impressed with that, I really am. Number 22, NARS Blush and Bronzer Duo in Orgasm and Laguna. Classics, classics, classics. So let's just show you that so you can see. So we're under no illusions. I know there was a bit of confusion about sizes and things when I first put my blog post up. So look, Orgasm, Laguna. The weight is both 2.5 grams each, so that's 5 grams of product in there. Super! It's Christmas. It's Christmas all at once. Oh, I love this so much. Right, number 22. That was 22. Now I need 23, which I have seen and lost. Haha, 23. This is gorgeous. The Votary Super Seed Facial Oil, 50ml. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous oil. Great for day and night. Perfect to prep skin for makeup. And a really good size, 50ml. That will last you forever. 24. And I know where 25 is, so I won't be messing around. Right, exciting. This is Diptyque candle, 70 grams. It's the Baze candle, which I love. One of my favourites. It's a special one to me. Lovely. And Diptyque, they always have a Diptyque candle in the Liberty Advent calendar. Wouldn't be the Advent calendar without one, would it now? No. And then number 25. What can it be? What can it be? It is Le Labo Tonka 25. So I've got my Wilhelm one on this hand. Let's get a bit of, oh, Tonka 25 Le Labo over here. Oh, stunning. And that is, let me tell you, 15ml. So perfect. And look, big size, heavy lid. I mean, that is packaging of as mini to the point of perfection. Okay, so that's it. That is everything inside the Liberty Advent calendar. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to just tell you when it launches. I'm going to leave a link to my blog post so you can read what's inside also. And I'm also going to leave a link to my email sign up, so I'll send you an email when it launches as soon as it's available so that you don't miss out. So that will be in the description box also. Now let me just remind myself and you of when this launches. 16th of October it launches. I've got a mailing list already, so make sure you're on it for this year's. I'm going to send it out as soon as it's live. I think I've said that already. The price is £215 and the value of all of this is over 700, so it's pretty good. Pretty good, like seriously good. And I just smell amazing now, and I feel like Christmas has come and I feel happy. And let me know how you feel about this. Please leave me any questions in the comment section below. You can message me as well at ReallyRee on Twitter and Instagram. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.